Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete history, cookies, cache and more on your computer to improve your privacy and browser performance. Let's get started. Open Chrome and click the three dot in the top right corner. Then go to Setting. From Settings, click on Privacy and Security. Then you will see Delete Browsing Data. Click there. Then you can select your time range and click on Delete Data to delete history, cookies, cache and more on your computer. If you found this guide helpful, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.